Sometimes the best response is to give yourself a chance to step back and change your perception and say, wait a second, this has nothing to do with me. This is a child who has his peers sitting next to him, and he or she needs to make sure that they look tough in front of their peers. And they're using me to try to make that happen. So that allows me to change my perception and say, I don't care what just came out of that kid's mouth. I'm not going to allow my automatic thought to run my emotion. And I might not say anything. And I might wait till the end of class and say, hey, Polly, come over here and see me for a second. And I might say, hey, you know what? I noticed that you guys were having a hard time getting started. And we have a discussion about it. But if I don't allow that to happen, what am I going to do with those kids? I might go over there and say, come on, guys, again, you guys? Again, you're sitting together and doing this? Do you think it's a good idea for you guys to sit together? Remember yesterday when this happened, you got nothing done? Do you think it's going to be any better today? I know that's an exaggeration, but you can see where I'm going.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.